Hi, I'm Karen with Quilts Are My Passion. Thanks for watching. Today's tip is, are you team pin or team clip? I happen to prefer pins for my beginning sewing pieces. In fact, for all of my sewing blocks, but some of you might like to use the clover binding clips, which these clips are pretty awesome for certain applications, and I do love them. But first, I'm gonna pin. I have a block here that I need to line up my squares. I want to show you that I have light and dark. I've pressed to the dark and I want to nest my seam so that lines up perfectly and I can feel it. But I want to make sure that it holds in place while I sew. So I pin at a diagonal across the seam. You can also bring a pin, if you want, coming from the other side to really lock that seam in place. But I have found you don't need to do that much pinning. Just come down to the next intersection and line up my edges and pin the same way. I can feel that when it locks in. I will check it. Let me put the pin down. I will check it. Get that lined up. Yep, that looks good. Pin again. The reason I'm pinning from the top to the bottom is I want to make sure that the top piece, or in this instance on the back, this piece stay flat. Let's do it one more time. I'm ready to sew, and I'll remove my pins as I get to them. Stop, pull out the pin. That's why I pin, so that my pins are right to the outside so I can grab them easily and pull them. However, you can pin in whatever way makes you comfortable. Here comes my ender. And my block is finished. Yay, team pins. Let's open it up and make sure everything works. It's lined up beautifully. Perfect matching. To get a list of my favorite beginning quilting tools, including the pins that I used in this demonstration, click the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.